Hi everyone, I'm Sica Salana, an occupational therapist from Sethu Centre in Goa. And today I'd like to share a simple tool that we made to help a child with hemiplegic cerebral palsy who's been coming to us for quite a few years. This child has difficulty with walking, where he walks with a hemiplegic gait with walking on his toes. So to help him understand how to better walk with his heel placed on the floor, we created this simple tool out of a sock, and a sock is readily available in everybody's houses. So what we did is we asked the parent to bring a sock from home, and we cut the front of the sock, which helped provide sensory feedback to the child when he's walking. When the child is walking with the sock, it helps to provide a visual reminder of how he needs to place his foot. It also provides the tactile input because of the fabric of the sock on his foot, as well as the compressive properties of the sock around his foot provide the proprioceptive impact. So all these three things together help provide the sensory feedback to the child to help him understand how to correctly place his foot when he's walking or climbing stairs. And a sock is available, and it's a cheap solution and something that parents can easily make themselves at home.
BreakFree Solutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.